you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. I know the last video was, it just done wrap, so I apologize. I'm sorry. Anywho, today is Monday. First of all, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on in the comment section, and share. Now, it is Monday morning, and I just woke up. Well, I'm not just wake up. I woke up and I got the kids ready and dry. Literally just left with them because today's Monday, you know, it doesn't work. However, I'm about to get ready because I have an appointment, like a meeting, like a business class that I need to attend, that I attend on Mondays. So what we're going to be doing is, since last week I cut it short, this week I'm actually going to be doing a weekly vlog. Okay, I actually setting on this camera hoping that it shows better, so right now hoping that it's showing better. Okay, anywho, as I said before, today's Monday. I have class or meeting, as you want to call it. Then that's from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and then we have to get home. Troy's gonna grab the kids because Tavania has her dance classes at 5 o'clock to 6:45. So that's what we have set for today, and then we won't carry right through. So I'm not gonna explain the whole week, but you're just gonna stay with me, okay? And I promise you I'm going to vlog every step of the way. So right now I'm in the pantry area, and I'm just taking out, trying to find some snacks to bring with me. So I got snacks. I already took out my water. Let me turn off the light. It's gonna get a little bit dark, people. You're gonna have to stay with me. So as I said before, it's actually 15 minutes to 8. But no makeup or anything this morning. We're gonna be leaving the bed unmade. Try will be coming back, so I know he will make up the bed when he come. Just dropping the snacks in. I already have my clothes taken out, but what I do need to do is to get my jewelry together. This is my regular everyday work watch or watch band, so I'm gonna switch this because I'm wearing gold today. So I'm gonna switch that to gold, and I need to wear gold or silver. I kind of wear something silver, so let's put it to silver. I'm gonna say that kind of look wash out, but I'm gonna go with silver accessories. All right, so let me get that together, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and I'll pick you guys up when I am in the car. Okay, I promise. All right, guys, I am ready. However, I am looking for a jacket to go with this because it's a little bit chilly. But this look too, and I'm gonna have nothing like, it's 8:35, so I need to get out of here right now. Well, let me see. Let me show you what I'm in. I'm in TJ's room. But this is what I'm looking like right now. And just, it's kind of chilly outside, right? But it's still a little business meeting. But I don't want to do too formal, right? I still want to do a little bit of casual look. So, that's me. But I just wanted like a little jacket maybe to elevate this. But this looked, this is not it at all, and I don't have any. This is just TJ's closet that I kind of took over with all my jackets, but I don't have anything gray, and I don't want to go. Let's just go with this. I don't have anything. These are too long. I need not too cool. You know what? I'm gonna go without my jacket. I'm gonna go without the jacket. I'm gonna go without a jacket because it's not supposed to be extremely cold today, so that is it. I'm gonna leave now. Alright, I'm in the car. Hold on. 20 minutes to right now. Alright, so I am 19 minutes away and I'll reach there exactly 8:59. So let's go. I have my water here. I have everything packed, so I'll see you when I reach class.
6.5 hours later.
Hey guys, oh god, let me get the angle. Dark bad. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Can't get one good angle. What if it's dark, sir? And hot. Alright guys, a lot better. AC. Alright guys, many hours later. I literally just finished the meeting. So I'm heading home now to go get the kids them to let me turn this down. Let me start over. just finished meeting. Literally 6 hours. We actually get out earlier today because the Monday I go somewhere. I am going home now to get Tavania ready so all of us can go to dance practice. So I'll see you when I'm at practice, okay? Alright guys, I am home. Just pulled in and realized that the kids nor Troy is here yet. So just called them and he said that I guess they went by Marshall, so they're on their way coming home. So I'm just going right now and just chill a little bit. It is now 3:50 to be exact. So we still have a little bit of time because the Tavania class starts at 5 o'clock. Just to put her stuff on. When she come, she eat something and then we get ready and go. This morning I reached a little bit late. Well, 9 o'clock on the dot because of traffic. So I was still on time. Could not, obviously I'm not able to vlog while I'm in class or stuff like that. But yeah, anywho, I see you guys when we're at practice. Okay, I told you guys I was gonna vlog everything, so I'm gonna vlog everything. So I'll see you at dance practice, okay? Stop doing that. Alright, go. Go.
The next day.
Hello guys, what's up to the video? So today we're going to school and
Oh shitty.
so I'm not gonna sing my own beauty song.
Okay guys, it's the next day. Battery just died, had to change it. We're all in the car. I'm about to drop these. Go on, I never see it. Hold on, go on. You can see it? It's so dark.
I'm putting my music back here.
It's so dark. And Tristan is over there. Say hola, Tristan.
Hola.
Turn around, Alan.
Ow.
Say hola.
What's good?
Alright guys, so it's the next day, which means that today is Tuesday.
And it's October
1st. So, bringing these kids to school. I'm gonna stop at Target. Then come home, can do a lot of laundry because we haven't done any laundry for like the last 2 weeks. And just clean up the place, right? So I'm gonna stay here with me today. So I'll see you guys when I'm at Target. Alright guys, so dropped off the kids. I am now here at Target and I'm about to let them know that I am here. They can bring up my stuff. I feel like my can't see through the glasses there now. I feel very foggy. Like I'm fighting to see through the lenses. Let me just clean it off real quick. Here they come. So I'm not gonna show you guys everything right now.
So we end up not having this, so we refunded it, and then this is a $10 gift card to make us.
That's the garlic bread?
Yeah, just the garlic bread. We have everything else. For some reason, we didn't. Your order was missing, and then we didn't have any more.
Okay.
So we issued a $10 gift card.
All right, thank you.
And we refunded it.
Perfect.
Here you go.
Appreciate you.
No problem. You have a great day.
Thank you. There were 2 orders. There was a last order that I did for Parmesan. Oh, I got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'm not having my garlic bread. So they gave me a $10 gift card. So everything else is in there. I didn't even check. Alright, when I go home, guys, I'll show you everything. I'm going to get something to eat. So when I go home, I do a little Target haul with y'all, okay? I want my garlic bread still. But, whatever. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, so we're back home and I'm just going to do a quick Target haul with you guys. The reason behind this Target shopping is because, I don't know, last night I saw something, and if you don't know, I'm going to know that's how my brain work, right? I saw something while I was watching, I think it was on a YouTube or the TV, something, and for some reason I just started feeling for spaghetti and meatballs. So I sat there in my bed, or laid there in my bed, and I ordered the ingredients that I did not have. So that's what happened. And then I started remembering some of the stuff that I don't have in the house, and I just ordered those as well, or things that I wanted but I didn't see, you know what I mean? That's right. So anyway, I got some Parmesan freshly shredded cheese. Now this, I saw this morning that I was out of, and I gotta get some more. Normally, I didn't know it was gonna be so small because normally I buy a big pack, but it is what it is. At least I have some Parmesan in here. The second bag We have, and this is like too small, but we have some ground beef. This is what's gonna make the meatball, obviously. And then just some panty shield that I'm running out of. All right, sugar. We're out of brown sugar, so I got me a pack of brown sugar. Oh, this is already right here. So some ginger ale. Okay, you know, sometimes you feel like your stomach feel a little bit upset. Like I know I have peppermint and stuff, but sometimes you just need some ginger ale in your body. Yeah. So that's what the ginger ale is for. You know, to get that burp out and the gas, as we call it. Yeah. That's what that's for. And then we can't have spaghetti and meatballs without the sauce. So this one is the sauce flavored with meat because I like the meaty sauce. At first I was gonna go with cheese. I normally use that too, but I like how my sauce kind of meaty. Yeah. So I got one pack of this because I just made Troy, Savannah, and Tristan. No TJ feed on the whole house, so I don't have to cook that much. And Troy's not really a fan of the saucy sauce, so I'm gonna have to think about what I'm gonna do for him differently. He doesn't really like the red sauce. But maybe I can influence him to get a little bit because I don't really feel for the double cooking at all. This is what I'm feeling for. Like I'm driving home and like my mind is just seriously on the meatballs, like seriously, like so that's what I'm cooking today. And that's basically it. I also ordered the garlic cheesy bread and they ran out of that, and that was like for $3 and something. They refunded me that and then gave me a $10 gift card, so that's good. I'll take that. So let me just pack out these. I have some 2 packages that came from Amazon yesterday. I came home to see on my doorstep, so we're gonna go through that real quick too. So let me put these away first. We have 2 packages here, right? Let's go through the first one. Okay, so these are some of my stuff to re-up on. This is my vitamins, my multi-woman's vitamin that I take. I was running out on this, so obviously this comes like, I think it's every 2 months, but it's on subscription, so it comes whenever it comes. And then this, no, I think I showed you guys this before. This is the Ziva Flying Insect Traps. So this is like the refill to go into the light thingy-magic for, you know, something I have like fruit flies or whatever because of the fruits oats. Now that it's getting colder, you don't really see any, but these catches, if no strawberry fly kind of coming in a house or, you know, any type of insect or flying, yeah. This, it has, I think I showed you this already. The original thing has like a light, like a, what a blue light in name. The blue lights can't come to me right now. And what it does is basically draw the insect towards the light, and then this has like the sticky thingy to it, and it catches it. So these are refilled, and it comes with a pack of 4 2-packs each. So this is how it looks. All right, and the second box, advantage of having long nails. None, you know, scissors or no box cuts around here. Fingernail broke me up on it. I would cry. Alright. Oh. So these are some basically outside mats. 1 pack each. 2 of them. So this is for Christmas. It's October, so it's not too early, so don't judge me. So I'm trying to get all my Christmas stuff together. So this year I'm going on, I think I told you guys, I'm going with a regular Christmas theme, but green, red, mostly green and reds that I'm going with. And it's gonna be, most of it's gonna be like a plaid green and red type theme. So this is for the base, and I have the Christmas outside mat. So this is supposed to be going to my my outside, the doorway, right? The welcome mats. So you have this as the base. And then you have the Christmas that will be going over. So this is green, and the Christmas mat or the welcome mats are going to be red, right? So 2 of them, and they're 90 by 150. Oh, they can fit. I went based on the last one I bought for the summer, so I hope these can fit. So, and that's it. I got some more stuff that should be coming today. That is it. So right now, guys, I'm not going to take you along with this, but I'm going to get something to eat. I'm feeling for like some omelette with spinach and some bell peppers and stuff like that. Drink me some tea. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get up and start cleaning up. I have the bathroom closet that I need to reorganize because we had to change the whole piping, and I did organize it to the best of my ability because I was waiting for some more storage containers. But with me waiting for that, everything still has to be pulled out of it. So my husband finally got everything fixed and plastered and repainted. So I am going to see if I can reorganize and get everything, because everything's like just all over the place upstairs. So I'm gonna get that together today. Do some laundry. Definitely have to do the laundry out through the lots of clothes, and we have to go walking naked, so that can't happen. We gotta get that together. So we're gonna do that. And just so look us straighten up. Tomorrow I have another business meeting, and then we don't really have anything in the evening. This evening I have a soccer practice for Tristan, so we'll be going there. I'm gonna cook, you know, look at something. It's a lot of things, people. And this is why I'm gonna take a little breather first, because my nose when I get up, it's non-stop movements. So, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. You understand? Yeah. Okay, I'll see you and I see you. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Okay, all right, later. Don't go away. I mean later as in next clip. Don't go away. Okay, all right.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So many things have happened. You saw me doing laundry. We got new packages. I have already eaten. I laid in bed because I was gonna get up and do what I need to do, but the body was saying you can't. Like the man was saying, I'm willing, let's go, we gotta do this. The body was saying, girl, go sit down. We can't do this. We're tired. Okay, we're tired. So I laid in bed for maybe like an hour or so, and then I just really had to be like, we gotta go. So I started laundry, and while I was doing laundry, more package came. So guys, by the way, I will be linking my Amazon storefront in this description, or in the description below. Yeah, so go ahead and check it out. And I don't have everything in there yet, but I'm trying to get as much as possible in there and update it as I go. But the aim is everything that you see me, all the Amazon haul, all the Amazon shopping that I've done, because you know Amazon is my place. Yes, so go ahead and check out anything that you see me might have shown you in the past, or maybe showing you right now that you want to check out. They'll be in the Amazon storefront, so go ahead and check out your girl. Okay, just saying. Okay, I just got this the Amazon gift book, kids gift book. So you know, normally the kids go through this and tell you what they want and how they want to break your pockets and stuff. All the goodies, all the toys and everything that Amazon has to offer. Why am I sponsor Amazon like say them up? Why? Yeah, I'm promoting them like they're sponsoring me or something. They're not. They're not. I wish they were, but they're not. Yeah, so that's that. So that's for Tavani and Tristan to check out. Alright, so we got a package here. Let's see what's in here. So these are some additional re-up stuff. These are, my fingernail can't do this, but these are some, you know, my fingernail can. I'm not gonna play the hero on this one. My fingernail can't do this, but it's the what you call these again? It's the, you know, always the small spaces, the linen one. You know, the push, you know what I'm talking about. It's 2 packs of the small spaces. You guys see this every time. It's my regular subscription that came today, so you guys know this, right? Okay, got a package. So before I show you guys what this is, Savania's birthday is coming up very soon. She'll be turning all of 6. Today is October 1st. She'll be turning 6 on October 16th. Okay? So I'll be celebrating her birthday and having a whole party for her because she asked for a party. She wants to invite people. Normally we just do a little thing at home and just close family members and friends would actually come by. This year she wants to do a whole trampoline and bounce houses and all these good things. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna do that this year because that's what she asked for. Normally it's kind of hard to do a celebration for her because when her birthday comes, it's normally cold and we can't do it in the yard or outside. You know what I mean? But she had been asking for this for a long time. Well, not a long time, but early in the year. So I'm like, okay, I have time to prepare. So I already have the location and everything. And so with that being said, birthday party is gonna be on a Saturday, October 19th. And she wants to have Inside Out 2 birthday theme. So these are the loot bags and some little things to drop into the loot bags. I already got some additional stuff for her. They're actually downstairs to go into the loot bag. Also with the decorations and stuff like that, I already got those. So I think the invitation is also downstairs, so I'm supposed to be writing that up. So in here you have the loot bag, you have this like a key ring type thing with all the characters on here. Then you have like some stickers. Here you have some, what do you call it, pins. And in here you have like the handbag, wristband. Alright? And then I bought 2 of them because I'm trying to do at least 20 party favorite things. So these are, party favorites are in here along with those. And then I did get some additional stuff, as I said before, to drop in the loot bags. And then so all I have to do, she wants to be dressed as green one. Discuss because Discuss is the girly girl that's fashionable and stuff like that. So I have that outfit also coming. I already bought her birthday shoes to match. So basically, all I need to do further down when it's getting closer is for the cake and ice cream and stuff like that. The place also provides food, so we don't have to think about that. And I just need to bring the decorations over to them, and they're going to basically be decorating everything and them clean up. So we pay the money, them do all of that, because I wasn't about to be doing all of that. So that's basically it. It's just like another little Amazon haul. And again, check out Amazon storefront. Everything will be there. If there's something that you're looking for that you don't see, let me know and I will definitely link it there for y'all. Okay? Alright. Okay.
Three hours later.
Alright guys, many hours later. I don't know. But it's now 2:43. And I've folded some laundry. That was washed like 2 weeks ago and it still wasn't folded. I just finished Tavania's shoe stand because it was breaking down. So I had to fix it and just reorganize her shoes. And then while I was doing that, as I was finishing, because I just finished, look, I look tired. Oh God. Let me put my phone to charge. Yeah, so as I was doing that, another package came. So let's see what's inside. Oh. I'm making my shops. One digga tea. This is the KeneishaSays or whatever you call it. But this brand, the traditional medicinals, I buy these brands because they have, all their tea has like a helps with some health issues or whatever not. This particular one has elderberry and helps with your immune system. And I've been giving my kids this like anytime I hear them sneeze or cough or whatever not, or if I feel like I'm coming on with something, and everything gone. So I ran out of this particular one, so I ordered some. They have the peppermint, they have everything. So check it out. Traditional medicinals. I don't know what you call this. KeneishaSays plus whatever it is, elderberry. Yeah, that one. As I said before, it's 2:03. I haven't started cooking. I haven't met my bed nor anything yet. I don't know. I feel like the time is going really, really super fast. I think the clothes I'm finished wash, so I'm gonna get those to dry and put some more clothes for wash. And then I'm going to organize. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see the floor. Like, it's There's stuff everywhere, and this is actually coming out of my bathroom. It's everywhere here, right? We just put the bag there, so I'm gonna take it up. I just wanted to show you guys that they're everywhere. And this is coming out of here. So in here, turn on the light. Organized, as you can see, storage containers. Yep. I did the same thing for here. Ran out of some of the storage container, these big ones. And I organized everything to look nice and clean here. But then here, so we had to fix the shower. We had to take out and reinstall the pipes. So I had to take out everything. Sure, actually repainted everything, which is nice. So now I am going to reorganize the stuff there. So I'm gonna fix that. So come with me a little bit. I'm gonna take out back this bag. So I actually have the rest of the containers downstairs in my office. You know, kind of take them out to the area when people come in back and forth. So see, they have the turmeric and ginger. This one is for joint support and digestion. But I want to cut all of them. But this is the one that was basically finishing. So I have this to replace it. So instead of putting it here, I'm going to put it in the pantry because we already have so many stuff inside there already. So we're going to just squeeze it in here. You also saw me doing we ran out of some of the snacks that we need to replenish right now because the kids don't eat snacks wicked. But this is I also reorganized my pantry. I think I told you guys that I was going to do that. So this is it. So this was brand new that I purchased, the books that I told I was going to do that. Those are from Temu, including the stems, and then all the organizing stuff are from, I think these are also from, that's actually from either Temu or Shein. I think it's Temu or Shein. I think it's Shein. And then the rest of the plastic containers are from, the bigger ones are from Amazon. And then these are also from Amazon. Yeah. All Walmart one of I sent back. So, yeah. So this is my little pantry area. Yeah. So that's it. So I am definitely on a whole journey of organizing everything in my home because obviously it just look better, right? It does. We're in the office space. These are the invitations for Tivania birthday party that I'm going to be doing later on, or maybe tomorrow. These are the stuff that I told you guys about. You know, this come with the whole the tablecloth and the balloons and stuff for the theme. Intentionally, it's not to show you all these, you know, but have to go past these to get to where I want to go. These are some stuff that is going to go in the loot bag. It's the light up toys, kids party favors to go in the loot bag. These are the forks and the plates and all the good stuff that comes with this. Oh, that's not cup. Put a cup in there. They said it came with cups too. Alright, maybe in another bag. You see a whole bunch of other stuff. These are some Christmas stuff that I purchased from Temu. Alright, these are also some stuff that needs to go into the like some drawing boards that need to go into the what do you call it? Loot bag as well. And these light up pipes. So that's it. So we have loot bag all set. Now this is what we are here for. This are the other organizing stuff. So struggle and packages secured up here. But before I do that, we're gonna go check out some of the clothes them. I said before I come upstairs, have a look. I will leave stairs in my house. Oh god. Alright, so before I actually jump on that, we're gonna do some of Miss Tevi's laundry, and then when we finish that, hopefully we finish in time so we can actually, I want to start cooking before I grab them, so let's see how that works out. And long time girl I got gym, man. Unhealthy bad. Unhealthy bad. of the storage container is broken, so I hope I'm gonna pass the return, because I have received that for a while, but I'm gonna do the broken one. I need to send it back, so I'm gonna do the return thing right now. Your orders, storage bins, up until October 19th, so that's good. You know what, I'm gonna call them instead. Thing is, I may just call and tell me to keep it and they'll send something else to refund me. Because to send this back right now, I really need to put the stuff them together. Yes.
Okay, I just sent you the text to verify. Count. You should get it within a few seconds. Thanks for verifying your account. Are you calling about your order that includes your party supplies?
No.
Okay. If you need help with a different item, say yes.
Yes, representative.
Now, in a few words, tell me, what can I help you with today? For example, you can say things like, my order didn't arrive, or I'm waiting on my refund.
Items damaged.
Let us make sure we understand correctly. The item you received was damaged.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
We'd like to help you with this. Can you let us know which item you need help with? Is it one of your recent orders?
Representative.
Okay, I'm pulling up your order history now. Can you tell me, in one word, which item you're calling about?
Storage bins.
Just to confirm, is that the order that includes your shorts?
No, representative. The battery's about
I'll
to die.
get someone to help with this. For customer support in Spanish, press 9. Otherwise, please hold.
The battery's about to die. This is the downfall to calling than just doing it online. But I'll get back to you guys. I have to change the battery. Alright guys, I just got off the phone with them. I did not hear what I wanted to hear. I wanted to hear, oh, you can keep everything and I will just resend you a new package. But no. But instead, they said they can actually refund me or they can actually replace the item. So the good thing is that they're going to send out a brand new pack. It should be coming by Thursday. Today's Tuesday. So they're going to send out 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working on, it's 3:30 now, which I only have half an hour. I'm going to use the 3 that are good. And then Friday when the other one come, let me just add other things to it. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just having it put out, because they're going to be sending it. So hopefully everything works. So it's still a win situation. I don't have to send it back to reorder it, So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Jesus, my face look really burnt. All right. Anyways, let's go do that. Alright guys, so I am finished and this is what it's given. I already showed you the top part. So this was not the neatest right now, I'm gonna be honest. I am missing, right now to be honest, I feel like I would need 2 more of the big ones, but I'm missing that one piece that would have been there, and I think I would need 1 more in the corner. But I'm not buying anymore because I already bought like 4 sets to do both downstairs and here. But this is what it's given right now. So when the other one come, I just fix up down this side. And that's it. That's just my closet. My bathroom closet. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm actually here waiting for the kids at the bus stop. But tell me why. You remember when I was showing you the stuff in the office, when I was telling you that one of the packages, like there was no cup, or there were no cups? And I'm like, this doesn't look right. So I went and I double checked the order on Amazon, and then I went back and I opened. Obviously there are no cups, but I'm like, maybe it's flat, you know? Maybe it's flat and it needs to be built or something. I don't know. I was just thinking, giving the benefit of the doubt. There are no cups. So I have to go home when I'm maybe late tomorrow and just double check everything that came for the packages for the birthday party stuff, because things were missing, you know what I mean? But anyhow, I did not go online to do it. I called, and what I wanted to happen to the storage containers in terms of keep it, but we'll send out a new one, is what they're going to do with this one. So they said to keep this, but they're going to send a replacement tomorrow with all the cups. And so I'm going to get an additional package with, it's going to be 40 plates in the other one with more tablecloths and stuff like that. It should be a package of 81 pieces, and I'm just missing the cups. So that's what I wanted for the storage container, so I could have some more storage, because I have other places to organize, you know what I mean? But, you know, I'm not buying anymore, and that didn't happen. But, you know, but I was a little bit frustrated, because I'm like, what the, you know? Anywho, I just wanted to say that, because I had to run out the house, because I started running late. But I'm here on time. So next clip you see, you might see me cooking. I'm going to try and cook before I go to the soccer practice. But if not, it will be the soccer practice because, you know, we're not going to have enough time. But I'll at least show you the finished product if I'm finished in time, if I get the chance to even start it. But the aim is to go home right now and just jump on cooking. You know what I mean? Okay. All right. So guys, I forgot to show you the food before I share our mother or not. So this is it. We finished eating and everything, and so we're gonna get ready so we can actually leave out because it's now 6:15 and practice starts at 6:30. So let me see if you along. Come on. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I am actually on my way to another business meeting. Dropped off the kids. I am on time. I am early. It's 8:20. I dropped the kids off at the bus stop this morning. I'm feeling good. I don't have to rush, and it feels weird that I don't have to be racing through traffic, even though I still am. But I'm relaxing a little bit. You know what I mean? But right now I'm so early, telling me that I'm gonna be there in the next 6 minutes, and class starts at 9 o'clock. Yummy. I made porridge this morning. I was able to even drink my porridge while I was driving because I'm early. Yeah, so I'll let you know because I'm driving right now. And this look, oh shoot. Okay guys, I am here. This is the outfit of the day. My little, look at this shit. Ah! Yeah, so I am here and it's now 8:27. I am early. I'm like 33 minutes early. Say yeah, clap it up for me, clap it up for me, clap it up for me. Anyway, I'm gonna go in class now. My test in my belly full. Porridge. Water. Took my vitamins this morning. I'm in a good mood. I woke up from after 5 this morning and did everything I needed to do. Make porridge, get the kids ready, drop them at the bus stop early. Happy for me now? Happy for you, girl?
Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen! Yeah!
Anyway, I'm gonna go in now, so I will talk to you guys later after the meeting, okay? Alright guys, so class is over. I'm like some little Christian girl. Oh my goodness. Class is over and I'm about to we're going to CVS to grab a prescription that I was supposed to grab from last week. There's some little fandangles there, and then we're gonna go to the hair store. So let's go. So I need one of these for the kiddos. Let's go for that one. Alright, I also need some shower caps. Okay. Hair jam. We're in the hair store. So I was rushing because I didn't want to be late to grab the kids. So when I reach home, I'll show you what I get from the the hair salon, from the hair store, and from CVS as well. So I'm running out to go get the kids. It's now 4:26. I'm actually on time, but traffic up on the road wicked. Anywho, I'll see you when I get home. All right, guys. It's 5:34 now. The last time I spoke to you, I think it was like some minutes after 4. So we're home. Already gave them spaghetti and meatballs that I made yesterday. And I'm just gonna show you now. I came home to some packages as well as to show you what I got from CVS and the hair store. So we're gonna start with CVS. In CVS, I already told you guys that I got my prescription. This prescription was something that I was supposed to get like 2 weeks ago that I did not get. So this is for naloxone. I got some shower caps because TJ wanted shower caps and we're all out as well. I think I found one the other day when I was cleaning up the bathroom yesterday when I was organizing. I found one. I got 2 more. I also got a pack of 4. And then the kids were running out. They have just a couple left, so I reordered this. For some reason, I used to have this on Amazon subscription, but I haven't seen it come for a while, so I think you're out of it. So I got that, and this is my go-to. I haven't had this in a very long time, so I got me some featuring, which I'm gonna eat in a while. So that's all for CVS. The hair store. Every time I go to this hair store and I shop for a certain amount of things, they give me something free. So today they gave me Vala Edge Moisture Rich Pomade Ultimate. I don't even know what this is. I think this goes through here. So this, they gave me 3-pack like sample. Sometimes they give me like free, depends on how much I shop. They give me like free lip gloss. Just a whole bunch of things, but this is what I got today. So I got some dry foam shampoo, contour shampoo for Tavania. I got some Palmer's cocoa butter formula moisture softens body oil. I normally use this. It's very good. This is $7.99 each. I don't know if tell you the prices for the others. They're not enough price, but I don't remember them. But that's $7.99 each, and the foam shampoo was $3.49. Also got me styling custard for her, $5.49. Also contour for kids. I got Palmer's olive oil formula for hair and scalp, $7.59. I got me some hair jam regular whole, $8.99. Also got me contour leave-in conditioner for Tavania, $5.49. These are for TJ. It's the intensive moisture sealant from Aunt Jackie, and I got him too. She said he's out and he's in school, so. And then I got him the defining curl whip, again two. One of each is for $7.99, and the other one was $8.99. That's it. All right, let's see what came. Got an envelope from Amazon, some scented pens. This is what I want to use to write up the invitations later for Tavania for her birthday party. We have another box from Amazon. So the set comes again, and they still don't have any. This is what I spoke to you guys about yesterday. The pack of 81, and it does not have any cups inside, and they come again with no cup inside. No cups are inside there. It's pissing me off. I'm gonna call them back when I'm done. Alright, so this is from Bath and Body Works. From when Mr. Lance buy this was from last week, Tuesday my order, and it's just a phone. One time that Bath and Body Works, then shipping takes ridiculously long. Bought 2 packs of the sanitizer, 5 each, and they had this sale where you buy 3 you get 3. So I have the Rose 1000 Wish soap, not soap, body cream, the Sweet Pea body cream, the Pure Wonder body cream, because I'm running out of these. Actually, no, this broke. Bath and Body Works, this break. This is supposed to be vanilla sugar. Break, the top break off. Not no leak out or anything, so I guess I'll still keep it. And then I have the body wash with vanilla sugar. I need to get the spray. I don't even know why I didn't get the spray for it. Anyway, that's all I got. That's all I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. That's it. That is it for little haul thing. I'm gonna call Amazon right now to find out what's going on with these cups, because that don't make no sense. So did I tell you guys that today's Wednesday? So we're Wednesday. Yeah. So today I don't have the kids. I don't have anywhere to bring the kids. I'm just gonna come to Vanya's here because they're here like a hot mess. And tomorrow I'll finish laundry. Yeah. Yeah.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.